This is a video that will explain the process of creating a header and the different styles of headers. And this is an important part of the website because it's the first thing you see when you load the page. So hopefully this information will help you understand how headers work in the different styles and will help you understand what might work best for you. This is the header. The header is the first thing you see in a website. It has the logo and navigation and sometimes some other things. This is a very simple menu right here on my own site, and I want to point out the logo, some drop-down menus when you click here or when you mouse over on some sites. And what happens when I scroll down is the logo folds up, a little smaller logo, text gets a little smaller. This is called a sticky menu and it's anchored to the top. This should be done today. Most sites that are designed today have a sticky menu. It allows you to keep navigation all the time as you scroll down. Okay, let's move to the next site right here. I'm gonna get a little more advanced as we process. This website right here, also pretty simple, logo on the left. You have just 5 menu items. Now I want to point out, keep the navigation small. You don't want to stuff things here. You don't want to have more than 5 or 6, maybe 7 things here in the nav menu. Now they also have a call to action, buy now. They're trying to sell a product, so they add that in the menu here with a a distinct color background as well. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. This is another simple menu. What I want to point out is you see the transparent background behind the menu. It's not anchored against any background color. But also I want to point out here, you have the phone number here. Now, phone numbers are important to have in a menu if you want people to call you. You want them to inquire information as a primary method of contact as a phone. So have a phone number in the navigation, in the header, right there if you want that. And they also have like a distinct contact bus. Now again, as you scroll down, it folds into a sticky menu. Okay, let's move on to our next site. This site right here, the menu gets a little more advanced. You have again a request a free quote, a phone number here, and again the point is that they want people to have a call to action right away. They want people to press that button for a free quote. They want people to get on the phone with them and call them. That's part of their business. You'll notice also a transparent background. As we scroll down, it turns solid and is anchored to the header. Let's move on. This next site has a little more advanced structure in the header where the navigation is below the logo with a tagline right here. So here they have their logo, they have their tagline, an image, and then they have the menu with the drop-down items. Now, when you scroll down, the menu folds into a more standardized sticky menu, which has the logo on the left and then the navigation over here. Now, this is really the max amount of links that you want to have in a menu. Let's move on to the next site. This is a little more interesting right here. This site has 3 things to the left, 3 things to the right, with kind of their emblem in the middle over there, and then they have their logo on the top with the transparent background. It's kind of a neat and different effect. As you scroll down, the sticky menu folds up smaller, and the logo is gone. It just has their emblem, which functions as a homepage link, and that's how that works. Let's get a little more advanced here. This site has a more complex menu with multiple layers. It has the main menu items right here, and then it has kind of a smaller super menu of like About Us, Contact Us. Again, they have a phone number, and they also have something called a mega menu, which is as you mouse over the actual menu item, you'll see several options and products and stuff. And this actually has images of featured products. This is called a mega menu. It's good for certain shopping cart websites where you're actually buying products. They also have a search right here in the header. That's just another type of site. And lastly, I'll just show you a simple concept here. This is again, this site has multiple tiers with a main menu and then smaller menu items, again with a phone number and a search. But I want to point out this is a special sticky this is a sticky message on the top of the page that gives a timely message right now. They want to mention about COVID-19, that they can they're here to help, so they fix this on the top of the site as kind of a banner, a ribbon banner. So that's the point of that. I hope this information is helpful to you. My name is Heshy Friedman. We do websites, web design, and we really want to make sure that your website stands out, makes an impression, and hopefully gets you more business. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day.